Computer, a friendly machine. Computer is also a machine and runs on electricity. So, you can call computer your electronic friend. It can help you anytime. Computer is your friend because it can play with you, sing songs for you, help you in drawing, help you in calculations, help you in finding information. Computer. Let's talk about computer. A computer is a smart machine. Computer makes our work faster and easier. It helps us in our day-to-day activities.